Okay, today we're working on task 2. Yesterday we made an introduction slide. Today we're making slide 2 where we have to introduce our topic. This slide should contain your position statement, an image, video, or quote that is meant to grab the viewer's attention. Just notice if you're using a video, it's got to be short, 30 seconds or less. Otherwise it becomes too long or in-depth for properly grabbing attention. Treat it like a commercial. And then you have to add source information to slide 6. And as always, with every slide, you've got to have thoughtful and organized aesthetics. It's got to be beautiful, eye-catching, and attractive. So if you take a look here, I've created my second slide. And here's my attention grabber. I've chosen a quote. Our kids are growing up on a digital playground and no one is on recess duty, by Kevin Honeycutt. I added an animation so that quote will disappear. And here is my position statement. Schools have a responsibility to make sure students learn proper digital citizenship skills so that they can be successful. Just a quick note, remember, you don't have to rewrite this position statement. It's already in your paper. Remember, it was supposed to be part of your introduction, just like it is in my paper. So all I did was copy and paste that position statement to my slideshow. I just made it a little more eye-catching and aesthetically pleasing. And you can see it right here, word for word, exactly the same. Obviously, just the font style and some of the presentation tools were made to make it look a little bit nicer. But there it is. But what I still have to do is I need to give credit for this quote and add that source information to slide 6. Really simple to do. I'll make sure you know how to do it the correct way. I actually found this quote doing a Google search at the Association of Wisconsin School Administrators website. You can see that quote starts this article. I thought it was a great quote for my topic, kind of chilling, and I need to cite it. However, it's not in a database, so I don't have a citation at the end of it like I did when I was using the Elm for You. But what I do have is a link to a website that will do it for me, called Easybib. So if you just open up that link that your teachers left for you in Classroom, all you have to do is go to your source page, where that quote is for me, copy that web address, paste in that web address, and then ask it to auto-cite. Now first it will check, is this what I was looking for, the Association of Wisconsin School Administrators? Yes, it is. So I want them to cite this. Here's all the information it found. To cite it, I'm just going to continue to the final step. It has all the information there. If I have additional information, I can plug it in, but I don't. So I'm just going to click Create Citation. There's my citation. This looks a lot like what I had on the last page of my research paper. I'm just going to copy and paste that and dump it right in to slide 6 of my presentation. Now I'll alphabetize these later, just like I'm always supposed to for a works cited page. Right now I'm just going to get rid of that highlighted font. I want it to be transparent. When I'm all done with all of my citations, I'll change the font size and, of course, alphabetize them as I'm supposed to. But if you look at what I have right now, I've got my attention grabber, my quote. I've got my position statement. I've designed a slide that I think is attractive. And if I advance to slide 6, I've got that source for that quote dumped into slide 6 for me to format later. You take care of all of that, and you will have finished task 2, and will hopefully get a 6 out of 6 today. Good luck.